What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a school logo in Canva. What you want to do is log into your account. Once you're in there, go to create design, type in school logo, click on school logo, and then you're going to have some templates here that you can use. University logo. Okay, just click on whichever one you like. Let's click that one. Whatever you want to edit, just click on it, and then you should be able to edit. Example that, we'll type in school logo. Object you want to edit, just click on it. Test. Okay. If you want to change the color, just click on the object, go up here, and let's make that red. That same thing. All right, make it blue. Okay. Background, same thing. Click on it. Like black. All right, and then once you're done editing, if you want to download it, go to share, and then just click on download, and then it should upload to your computer. And that's it, guys. How to make school logo in Canva, simple and easy. If this video helped you out, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.